Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be continuing the topic cattle farming. To ensure that we get clean milk, proper cleaning and shelter facilities should be provided. So, proper cleaning and shelter facilities should be provided to the cattle. This can be done by regular brushing to remove the dirt from their hair, and in shelter, their shelter should be well ventilated and the floor of the cattle shed needs to be sloping so that it will stay dry. Now, let's talk about the diet or food requirement of cattle. We generally give the food that ensures that the animal is healthy and the diet which goes well with their milk producing requirement. This is the food required during lactation period. The animal feed generally include the roughage, which is high in fiber content, and certain concentrates which are low in fiber but high in protein content. Cattle needs a balanced diet just like human beings, all nutrients in proportionate amounts. If the hygienic conditions and balanced diet are not fulfilled, the cattle can suffer from a number of diseases which can even cause their death. Cattle can be attacked by both external and internal parasites. External, these generally live on the skin and cause skin diseases. And internal parasites, they affect stomach and intestine. They can also be infected by a number of infectious diseases that are spread from one animal to another. These diseases can be prevented if the cattle are given proper vaccinations. Against major viral and bacterial diseases. This is all about cattle farming. If you have any doubt, you can write a comment. Thank you so much for today and have a great day.